How to make and create consulting agreements on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Google Docs. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is click on template gallery and scroll down until you find the consulting agreement document template. Click on it and it will take you directly to this page. Now right here you can edit all the informations easily and fast. As you can see, you can change the logo and add your company logo, and then you can change also the text and many other options. After you finish, click here and it will be saved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end of this video.